Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, November 9th. It is like 8:45. I have a nail appointment at 9:30. I'm finally going to get my nails filled. And even though my nails grow out pretty quickly, like they don't look horrible. Like obviously, clearly they need to be done, but I like to last like 4 weeks. So I think I'm gonna get black tips, and I want these shorter and more narrow, or I might get like really short, like square, not like thick square, but like thin square. I don't know. Y'all are just gonna have to wait and see. And then I need to go do some shopping for like my kids and my man, because we are going to South Carolina on vacation. We will be there a week from today. Actually, we'll be there a week from Thursday. We leave Thursday at like 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll probably get up there, I want to say like 4 or 5 o'clock, 6 p.m. at the latest. And then we'll be up there until Monday. I'm so excited. So yeah, I figured I would vlog this weekend because a lot of you guys seem to enjoy the vlog that I uploaded last week. So I was like, you know what? That like boosted my spirit. So I was like, let me pull out the camera again. So I am feeling much better than I did in that vlog. I had a headache that whole entire day, but today I'm feeling good and I have some stuff to do. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bring y'all along with me and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get ready to go. Yeah. Hi, can I get a venti citrus defender, please?
Anything to go with that?
No, thank you.
Alright, citrus defender will be $4.23 up at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, let me just tell you right now, if you love tea, like hot tea, and you are ever feeling sick or just under the weather, or if your throat is a little sore, go to Starbucks and get a citrus defender tea. Thank me later. It is bomb, okay? When I wasn't feeling good, maybe like a couple months ago, I drank that tea. Oh no, it was like last month, I don't know. I drank that tea literally every single day for like 2 weeks, and it would always make me feel better in the morning, because in the morning I'm super stuffy. Sometimes I sleep with my mouth open, so my throat be kind of scratchy when I wake up, and the tea is just bomb, and it tastes really, really good. I think it's like a green tea, or it's like a mint tea, I think, and they make it with lemonade instead of water. Like they steep it in lemonade and they add, I think it comes with like 4 packs of honey in it, so it has a lot of honey in it. I always get a venti, which is like the 20 ounce. So good. And they put like 2 tea bags in there, so it really is strong. Like it's not like a really light tasting tea, like it tastes so good.
Stick to your stomach, wishing I wrote your mind. I had to give you my. I see you looking, what you looking at?
As soon as I was done at the nail salon, I went across the street because there is a Home Goods, a Burlington, and a Ross all in that plaza. And I went into Ross to see what kind of clothes they had because I need to shop for like my man, my kids. Yeah, I will show you guys what I got when I get home. I'm gonna go scoop Jade up for my mom. She spent the night with my mom, but I'm gonna go grab her because I need her to try on jeans, because she's a lot like me, like body wise, especially when I was her age. Like she's like tall and thin, and she's kind of like at an in-between size right now. So I need to go get her because I didn't want to buy jeans that weren't really gonna fit her. So yeah, I already know she's gonna be like, I don't want to try on clothes, because girl, I don't like it either, but I ain't trying to waste my money, you know what I'm saying? And I hate returning clothes. Like I would just rather buy it, know that it fits, because I can't be returning stuff. Like I hate it. And I really want Panera for lunch, and I know if I go to Panera and I don't have Jada, she's gonna be mad. So it has been a while since I last saw you guys. It is now like 6:45. We just got home. Johnny just got off of work and we got takeout for tonight, and we were actually lucky enough to get a Popeyes sandwich. When the Popeyes sandwich first came out, we went to our local Popeyes and they had like a flyer sticking up saying that they didn't even have the sandwich. So we never got to try it. And now that it's back, we finally got it. He got the spicy and I got the regular, so I'm going to taste it for you guys on camera. Jada got McDonald's because that's just her thing. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really curious to see if it's better than Chick-fil-A. I hear that it's better than Chick-fil-A, but we'll see. So I got my sandwich and I asked for no mayonnaise, but I didn't even get that sauce. So I literally have a plain sandwich. It didn't even come with pickles on it, but John doesn't like pickles, so he gave me, oh dang, this is a big old pickle.
Yeah, you got a big one.
So, yeah. It's fine, he's fine. Not a big deal. Ooh, that sauce is spicy.
I was gonna say you want to try.
Oh my god.
Maybe that's the spicy sauce.
Yeah, okay.
That makes
I
sense.
should have asked for a spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, ready? I'm excited. Okay.
Here we go.
It's okay. Although I feel like that first bite I really only got like breading. Let me try that one.
Yeah, try a bite of that.
I mean, that's just...
You're eating it.
I thought the chicken was supposed to be spicy too. I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad sandwich and you do get like a huge piece of chicken on it, but...
It doesn't have like the ring of spice around like the normal chicken does. I think it's just a sauce.
And I like spicy food, but I don't know. I guess I thought that the like special sauce was just a sauce and I didn't think that it was a spicy sauce, so I thought that it was gonna be on the original one. But I would get the spicy one just because of the sauce.
Good.
I would say that the Popeyes spicy is better than the Chick-fil-A spicy, but the Chick-fil-A original sandwich is better than the Popeyes original sandwich. Only, yeah. Because the Chick-fil-A chicken has like spices in the breading and this one tastes like plain fried chicken. Like it's not bad and it's really crispy. It's a lot, I don't know, it's hard because it's like the chicken from the Popeye sandwich is crispier than the Chick-fil-A chicken, but the Chick-fil-A chicken has more flavor in it in its original state. But I like it with the spicy sauce.
Sauce is really good.
Yeah. Because Chick-fil-A's spicy chicken sandwich is doing too much. It's like red and that's not that good. I will say that the pickles on the Popeye sandwich are a lot better than the Chick-fil-A one because these pickles are like real pickles, where like the Chick-fil-A pickles are like thin, you know, like they come out of a jar. These ones are like real pickles. So these are good. Oh yeah, it's not bad. When that sauce is on that pickle, it's hot. They're like garlic pickles or something. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh my god. That's not bad. I'm not mad at it. Let me know if you guys have tried the Popeyes sandwich yet. Because like I said earlier, when it first came out, our Popeyes wasn't even selling it like at all. It never came to the store. So, and it wasn't even a line. When we went to Popeyes just a little bit ago, there was no line. So, I don't know. But we live in a small town. Even though I think that if your whole store is selling something, like your whole restaurant is launching something, it should be available to every restaurant. Because I mean, it's just chicken and bread. Like there was nothing, I don't know. And it's cheaper than Chick-fil-A, so there's that. And you could get it on Sunday. Look at our shadows. What?
Making us warm.
Let's just cross the street. Just for... So this is the pants that I was thinking about. See? I like
European.
these.
Oh, I thought you meant the striped ones.
What? No.
These.
No, I don't like
European
those. I like these.
Okay. Comfort fit.
Yeah.
I need. Okay.
Okay. Good morning, guys. We are in Ross. Hi. It's Monday and we both have the day off. Well, he has the day off. I have the day off because it is Veterans Day. We're gonna finish shopping for him for vacation. We leave in, technically, 3 days. 3 days. Ah, I'm so excited. Jeans. Do you want to look for jeans in here?
Yeah. Do they have
I think Target had jeans for like 20 bucks.
black jeans?
I didn't see any black jeans at Target. Actually, I think Levi's has black jeans. We are taking family pictures up in South Carolina. Those are kind of cool. But yeah, we're taking family pictures, and I want him to wear like black jeans because I got black jeans for my son, and they're gonna wear like buffalo check, and then Jade and I have like these like red velvet dresses. I thought it would look really Christmassy, so we're gonna do that. So we need to find some black jeans for him. We're never together anymore.
I don't know if they have any.
I don't know.
I only saw the pink set.
I have no idea. I bought myself a jacket like this off of Amazon. And I don't like this color, but this one is only $9.99. The one that I bought on Amazon was like $30. But, ooh, this is pretty soft. Oh, that's cute. I don't really wear pink like that, but, oh, if this had like one more thing, I could get this for my mom. That would be so cute. I need this, but I need it to say brother because I go to my brother's for literally everything that happens in my life and vice versa. Ooh, I like this. That's cute. How much is this? $5.99? I like that. Yeah, I think this is really cute. I'm gonna start decorating for Christmas probably around Thanksgiving at $5.99. I like this. Let's see if we can get it. I need a garland like this to go like up the staircase. I think that would look really pretty.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And now I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms.
Well, Walmart is over there. So we just left Burlington, and he found a pair of pants. I got a pair of shoes, and we got him a jacket. So I think we're all set. We're gonna head over to Walmart because I need to get like toiletries and stuff to travel with, like body wash, and that's pretty much it, and like lotion. But yeah, and I need to get myself like a pair of like black flats, and I wanted to go to Walmart because I know they have them for like $5 because I'm only gonna wear them for while we're taking pictures. So yeah,
I'm gonna look at the electronics.
I always looks at the electronic. What can I talk
Arcade
today?
machines.
So yeah, we're gonna slum it at the Wally World. I really don't like Walmart, but I don't feel like going to Target because I'm going to be tempted. I don't. Yeah, this Walmart is not a good Walmart. The one by our house is better, but we're like in this area, so. But I don't want to go to Target because I don't want to be tempted to look at their Christmas stuff. So yeah. So he's doing a story for his YouTube channel. And I was like, what are you doing? Like, he wasn't walking with me, and he's like, I'm gonna do a story. Look at him. Try it out, see if I like it, yeah. Sensodyne Pro Enamel. I'll try it out. It does have like a Get the kids cavity protection. Oh, look at this. Look at this black toothbrush. That's pretty cool. Let's focus on your face.
Hashtag brush happy.
Maybe I'll try this one. Okay, so how do you guys feel about these types of shoes? I kind of want to get a pair just because I know that they look really comfy, but I don't really like how they look. While I'm at Walmart, Kyra Sean and Shanice have this like turtleneck, and they both got it from Walmart, and I need one because y'all know I love me a good turtleneck, and I feel like it and I think it comes in like a few different colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these shoes. Hopefully they have them in my size. Great, I don't see my size. So they have these really cute like thermal shirts, and they're on sale for only $5, and I see a cheetah one, so I'm gonna get one. Would I be a medium or a large? Yeah, I'm gonna get a large. Is this one not $5? Dang.
Oh no, it's just the other side.
Ugh.
Oh. It's because these are fancy. The other ones are...
They have like solid ones right here, and these are...
Well, maybe they forgot to put the tags on them. I don't know.
That looks too big. Well, that sucks. Okay, so we just got home, and I'm going to put these little wax melts that I got from Walmart into my wax warmer. I got the crisp fall leaf scent. It smells really, really good. John got me this for Mother's Day, I think a couple years ago. It's like a Yankee Candle wax warmer. And I save the little Yankee Candle wax cartridges because you set this in it, so that way the wax doesn't, you know, stick to the metal on the inside. And this one comes on a timer. These Better Homes and Gardens smell really good, and they're only like $2, so they're really inexpensive. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm not going to do anything for the rest of the day other than film. I have one more wig that is coming in the mail today, and I'm going to try to get at least 2 videos recorded. I'm going to edit this vlog now, and I'm going to vlog as much as I can while we're on vacation. I'm not sure how my brother and, you know, like his girlfriend would feel about being on camera, but I'll try to get like a little bit or as much as possible. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs, and if you are, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!